For today's video mga idol. So ngayon ay araw ng Mother's Day kaya babatiin natin ang mga magulang natin.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Muning, Happy Mother's Day. Buntis ka na naman, ah. Pao, Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Tara, kain tayo mga idol.
Nanay, Happy Mother's Day.
O, tapos kay Mama.
Thank you.
Kay Mama.
Mama, Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Papa, Happy Mother's Day.
Tara mga idol, kain tayo. Ulam natin.
Huwag ka ng hands mo.
Inihaw na manok. Lechon. Nakap. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Kain na tayo, Chiki.